Looking for a powerful and professional wireless tattoo machine, but not sure which one to pick? You're in the right place. In this video, we reveal the top 5 best wireless tattoo guns, built with strong motors, long-lasting batteries, and smooth performance. Watch till the end to find out which one is perfect for you. Let's get started. Item number 5. The Dragonhawk L3 Tattoo Kit is a professional, cordless tattoo pen designed for precision and comfort. Measuring 140 millimeters and weighing 233 grams, it features a 32 millimeter grip and operates cordlessly for up to 7 hours. The L3 offers 7 adjustable stroke options, 2.4 millimeters to 4.2 millimeters, making it versatile for lining, shading, and blending. Powered by a robust Mcore motor with an ultra-power no-snag system, it ensures smooth, durable performance. Its advanced direct drive system delivers quiet, precise ink transfer with stable voltage. Ideal for both beginners and professional artists, the Dragonhawk L3 combines freedom, control, and high-quality results. Item number 4. The Mast Tattoo Fold Pro Wireless Kit is a professional cordless tattoo pen designed for precision and versatility. With 7 adjustable strokes from 2.4 millimeters to 4.2 millimeters, you can easily switch styles on the fly. Powered by a robust Mcore C2 motor, the Fold Pro glides smoothly through thick skin without snagging. Its advanced direct drive system ensures quiet, soft, and precise ink transfer with stable voltage. Perfect for lining, shading, layering, and blending, this water-resistant pen provides freedom and control for professional tattoo artists. Trusted by over 2 million customers worldwide, it delivers consistent, high-quality results every time. Item number 3. The WORMHOLE Pro 80 PCS Tattoo Gun Kit is a versatile and professional tattoo set designed for artists of all levels. Featuring a sleek pink, ergonomically designed tattoo pen with 7 adjustable strokes, it allows precision for both intricate and bold designs. The kit includes 20 high-quality tattoo needles and essential accessories, providing everything a tattoo artist needs. Powered by a 1,800 mAh battery and featuring a digital LED display, it ensures long-lasting, smooth performance. Crafted from premium materials, the WORMHOLE Pro is durable, reliable, and backed by responsive customer support for a seamless tattooing experience. Item number 2. The Mast Fold 2 Pro Tattoo Gun is a professional wireless rotary tattoo pen designed for precision and comfort. Measuring 140 millimeters and weighing 233 grams, it features a 32 millimeter grip and operates up to 7 hours with dual 2,000 mAh batteries. Offering 7 adjustable stroke lengths from 2.4 millimeters to 4.2 millimeters, it allows artists to switch styles easily for lining, shading, blending, and color packing. Powered by the Mcore C1 motor, it glides smoothly through thick skin without snagging. The easy-to-replace battery with OLED display ensures stable voltage and efficient performance. Perfect for professional tattoo artists seeking versatility, control, and high-quality results. Item number 1. The Ambition Soldier Rotary Battery Pen is a professional wireless tattoo machine built for precision and comfort. Made from durable aluminum alloy, it measures 148 millimeters with a 32 millimeter grip and weighs 210 grams, offering excellent balance for long sessions. Powered by a custom coreless motor, 10 volts, 9,000 RPM, it delivers fast, low skin loss coloring without overheating. The 2400 mAh battery supports 5 to 6 hours of continuous use and charges fully in just 1.5 to 2 hours. Compatible with all cartridge needles, its direct drive system ensures smooth, precise lining and shading. Includes an extra battery, RCA adapter, USB charging cable, and box for convenience. Which of these wireless tattoo gun is your favorite? Don't forget to comment below and let us know. If you want to buy one, check the links in the description. Purchasing through them helps support our channel. And hey, if you enjoyed the video, make sure to subscribe and stay with us. Thanks for watching.